What's up guys, welcome back. So today we are going to change the old air filter with a new one. Basically this is very old and it can, so I bought a new one. It's nothing special, it's just a cheap one, just to have something that can hold up for now. It has been very cold for the last week, so I can't do nothing anymore than only do some small stuff with this car. So yeah, this is basically it. So I'm just gonna change the air filters, like put the new one in, and yeah, turn the car up. I haven't been started this thing up for since last time, so it's going to be fun to see if it has any battery left and if it can turn off. So yeah, let's get to it and let's go. Wow, I have missed this one. It is looking clean. So let's see. So here you have it. We're missing the air filter, so we are going to put that on right now. So this is it. It's actually matching the car, so that's nice, I think, maybe, I don't know. But you can see, I didn't know that this is more wide than the old one. So it is pushing this out. I don't know if it's wrong or if it's okay, but I think maybe it's okay. You can see there's more space here now because this is pushing this out. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section if it's not okay, then I will find a new one, or but I will go with this for now. So this is it for now. Now I'm going to give it a cold start after almost a month. I don't know, maybe about that. Here we go, guys. Let's see if it's going to work. I hope so. Nope, nothing. Damn it. No battery left. Damn. Now I have to, I think I have an extra one I can use, but dang. Ooh. Here you have it, boys. Now it should start. So let's try again. Please. What? I think I have to, Oh, dang. So I forgot to fasten the bolts, so that was the problem. Let's try again. Come on. Okay, wow, that was amazing. I haven't started this car for like, I think, a month, and it has been like minus 10 degrees Celsius almost every day, so that is pretty amazing. Wow, I guess it's a Nissan, right? Damn, I'm happy, boys. Wow. Let's go outside and hear the sound of the car. Oh, by the way, I don't like the exhaust because it's too big, so I'm probably gonna end with buy a new one. like a little bit smaller, I think. So I know this is a small update this time, but I hope it's okay because again, I can't do a lot here in this winter and I don't have a closed garage, so this is what I can do for now. But I will get back to you soon, and please subscribe to my channel. It would help a lot to make me more motivated to make more videos for all of you guys, so please. And until next time, peace, bye.
Wow.